Hello, my name is John. One sunny day, I decided to explore the old part of the city. While walking, I found a small bookshop. It was hidden in a narrow alley. The sign of the shop was old and hard to read. The windows were covered in dust. When I opened the door, a small bell rang. It was a quiet, gentle sound. Inside, the shop was like a step back in time. It was full of old books. The books were on tall shelves that reached the ceiling. The shop smelled like old paper. It felt like a place full of secrets and stories. I walked slowly between the shelves. I looked at the books. They had hard covers and were very old. Then I saw a special book. It had no name on it. The cover was dark and made of leather. It looked very old, but also very interesting. It was as if the book was speaking to me. The owner of the shop was an old man. He had kind eyes and a friendly smile. He saw that I liked the book. He came over and said, "That book is very special. It has stories that are different for everyone who reads it. It tells tales about the past and the future." His voice was calm and wise. I decided to buy the book. I felt excited to read it. I said goodbye to the old man and left the shop. Holding the book, I felt like I was starting a great adventure. It was not just any book. It was a book of mysteries and wonders. I couldn't wait to start reading and discover its secrets.